sleeping next to someone who snores, I have solutions. Because love is real and so is sleep deprivation. Here are 3 tech gadgets that might save your sanity. First, if you hate wearing headphones to bed, try this Bluetooth speaker. You slide it under your pillow and it vibrates the sounds of your audiobook or sleep sounds, so you don't disturb your partner. And if you're a side sleeper, it's actually comfortable. If you don't mind sleeping with headphones, these sleep earbuds are a game changer. They have light noise cancellation to block out snoring and play sleep noises like thunderstorms or waves. Plus, they have a lock design so they don't fall out when you inevitably toss and turn. Finally, if you're a sleep mask person, you should pick up the Wave Sound Therapy eye mask. It's a super soft mask that has soft buttons to adjust to your liking. Sound quality is so good that you can hear every word of your podcast. Which one would you like to try? Pillow speaker, earbuds, or the sleep mask?